Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best pastel pencils available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Derwent Pastel Pencil. This round smooth barrel comes with 4.5mm core, allows for maximum line flexibility to apply generous color or create crisp fine lines. It can be easily mixed and blended to create new hues and tints and detailed pastel studies. These pencils allow all the creativity of pastels with the convenience and control of a pencil. Pastel pencils provide the soft powdery texture of a traditional pastel with the versatility and easy handling only a pencil can provide. Also has a new angled dip in order to identify the pencil color. At number 6 we have KOH-I-NOOR Pastel Pencil. KOH-I-NOOR has an excellent reputation for quality art materials with a deep-rooted understanding that artists seek reliability in the materials used to create a masterpiece. From watercolor paints to oil colors or pastels, KOH-I-NOOR are committed to providing affordable high-quality materials. The extensive range of products offered means that whether you are a beginner looking to try your hand at drawing or painting, or a seasoned professional, there will be a product for you to try your hand. At number 5 we have Faber Pastel Pencil. It contains 24 pastel pencil in metal tin. It has a supreme quality PITT pastel artist's pencils. It has excellent light resistance and color brilliance. It is ideal for fine and elaborate details. At number 4 we have Derwent Pastel Pencil. It is specially selected by professional artist Carol Massey for drawing multicultural images. The pencil glides across the surface of your paper, transferring color with a velvety touch for a smooth and full-bodied powdery finish. You can enjoy the beauty and texture that traditional pastels offer with the precision of a pencil. The full range includes 12 pencils and a color palette for drawing people of different nationalities. At number 3 we have Marco Pastel Pencil. This color pencils for kids weight is 144 grams. The 24 set package box LXWXH is 18.5 x 92 cm color pencil drawing set is macaron color. It is pretty and vivid. It is perfect for adults and kids painting beginners or experts. Macaron color is a little more vivid than the real color and bring a little childlike feeling. It is nice for coloring books and drawing or sketching books. And enjoy coloring and give you a happy experience with friends or classmates. At number 2 we have Derwent Pastel Pencil. Its hexagonal shell color pencil set in made of wood. It is durable and non-toxic, eco-friendly. This hexagonal design prevents roll and breakage. This pencil set include 2 each from the color range cream, blush, pink ochre, dark terracotta and brown earth. And the pencils are pre-sharpened for use right out of the tin. 6 colors in the skin tone range, 72 colors in the pastel range, round 8mm barrel, 4mm creamy core. At number 1 we have Conte Pastel Pencil. The exceptional diameter of the Conte Paris Pastel Pencil lead gives genuine freedom of creation and has an unrivaled feel. The pastel is perfect pencil companion to soft pastel because its lead is slightly harder with less pigment. It is preferable to Conte soft pastels and crayons when details is required for small and medium-sized formats. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best pastel pencils for your need.